Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to switch into different business profiles using Meta Business Suite. Meta Business Suite helps businesses manage their social media accounts, create ads and analyze their performance. It can be used to manage Facebook, Messenger and Instagram. Manage multiple platforms from one interface, and it's suitable for businesses of all sizes. You can manage multiple business through this app and can switch to any preferred business profile of your own anytime. Now let's see how we can switch to different business profile. And to switch, first we need to open the Business Suite app. Tap on that. As you can see on the screen, we have already opened the Business Suite app. And now to switch to different profiles, you have to tap on this button. As you can see, all the business profiles have been showed in here. Tap on different page or business. You'll get to see a different page in here. Similarly, you can choose any page from here, like this. So this is how you can switch to any business profile from Meta Business Suite app. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more videos.